morning. Hi. Can I do a medium iced coffee with almond milk?
Anything else?
That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning. Good, and you? Yes, please. Thank you so much. Thank you, you too. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. So today's day 2 of track prep for the car. I mean, it's a lot of stuff. I mean, we got HKS oil cooler, we got a parent cold air intake, or not cold air intake, it's a parent intake thingamabob. I'm still utilizing the same stock air box. Oil pressure gauge and some like replacement parts for the front bumper. I'm specifically going with this oil cooler because I don't know if I want to go turbo yet, so I want to make sure that I'm leaving the whole front end of the car open for intercooler options should we want to go that route, but I'm not really sure yet. So I'm like super stressed out on like trying to make the ends meet in terms of like, am I going to meet the end of the season for track days? Because I still got to order brake pads, still got to order rotors, tires. In the last vlog, you guys saw that I was at Grid Life and, you know, talking to people and trying to understand what the best route is for me. I got a lot of valuable advice, especially how to enter grip/track racing super cheaply. So the next mods eventually, before, you know, these aren't really the ones that are going to hold me up from joining the track and actually taking my car out. It's going to be lowering TRD lowering springs, SPL lower control arms front and rear, and like small things miscellaneous that I don't desperately need. But right now, the desperate needs are to get me on the track safely are CSG brake pads, rotors, Mutal 660 brake fluid, which I already have. I just gotta figure out when to do that. And that should really round it off. And then obviously tires, which I'm gonna go Toyo R1Rs. I gotta figure out the size. It's probably 225, 45, 17. Because last time I installed an oil cooler, my car lasted for like 6 months and then it blew up. Obviously, the two are unrelated, but it is what it is. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. So I got the bumper pulled off from the time lapse, so you guys can tell. We're gonna go right into it. I don't have a knife to put Loctite on. That's not good. Welcome to the life of Raiden Racing Co. Always forgetting the right tools, right? Yeah, so you want to Loctite this thing. Last thing you want is your oil cooler going somewhere and being super regretting the fact that it's flying away. And your car has oil all... oh, fuck. Car has oil all over the track. Now I got Loctite all over my fingers. We love that. That's what we stand for.
At least we know it won't go anywhere.
Yeah, that's fair. I also gotta get the right tools to do it. This wind is fucking brutal. Ooh, no! What a waste of Loctite. That's a lot of Loctite. God damn. Yeah. Let me get up. Do this right. Ooh. And obviously getting the right tools to do it. And now it does the little one. Alright, and it's done. The biggest pain in my butt I've done yet on this car. I hope I installed it right. Kind of looks like I did it right, you know what I mean? Like it's gonna go on inside of the fender. Now the next step is to install this. But your boy doesn't have a rivet tool, so we're gonna take a trip to our local hardware store and go pick it up, because what would be working with me if I had all the right tools? Because I don't have that. Because in the words of Calvin and TJ, I don't know what I'm doing. got it. Got it. And the worst part is I'm probably gonna lose this in like a month. Because, you know, that's all I'm really good for. I have to cut my fender liner, so it's not the worst thing in the world, but I just mocked it up. I see where I have to cut to put the mesh on. Yeah, that was a pain in the ass. I didn't have half of the shit I needed. I went to 2 different auto parts stores, or I went to, yeah, technically 2. I went to 2 different auto parts stores. First one didn't have it, ended up going to Subaru. Got what I needed to do the freaking oil change. What a bummer, what a loser. Thankfully, this is the hardest part. I am supposed to cut some stuff and probably drill a new hole, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't see another way to mount the other bolt, so we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see how I can do it. And go from there. So now I'm gonna cut it. We're gonna cut some sexy B-roll of me putting the cooler in, me snaking everything through, and yeah, that's it. And then on to the fun stuff of seeing if I blew up my car. I also just want to make note, this is an installation video. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I can barely read, so like, probably not the wisest thing to be like, yeah, John installed it. They installed it over at Raiden Race to Go. They know what they're doing. No, we don't. I'm just putting race car parts on my race car. That's all I'm doing. And I'm taking you guys along. And if you guys decide, hey, it's what I want to do, maybe you can reference my video. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is by no means a proper install video. This is more of just like, come hang out with John while he figures out his life, because he has no idea. He has no idea how to do what he's doing. It's great. It's mad. Yeah, so that was a pain in the butt. What should have been like a 3-4 hour job turned into like a 7-hour, 8-hour ordeal. Which I guess like on paper isn't bad. I'll find out more on the way home back to New York if this thing blows up or not. It should be okay. I mean, we ran it through its paces, we got it up to pressure. I'm gonna drive to the gas station. I'm gonna just kind of like stay close to where the shop is and hope for the best. And then once I feel like the car's okay, I'm probably gonna take the hike, take the drive out. So I'm hoping that this oil cooler goes out well. I'm sure it will. I'm sure I'm overthinking it, but yeah. So hopefully the short shifter will be in the next video, whether I install it or I take it to a shop. Performance All Solutions out in Long Island to do it. Those guys are great. See what they think of my install. See how bad I f***ed up. It's gonna be great. thank you guys for watching me struggle for 30 minutes or however long this video was. Yeah. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what I did wrong. I want to read them. I'm replying in the comments. I appreciate you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.